Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are unboxing a very special watch. So this is my first DWC watch on my channel and also on my personal collection. So right in front of you today, only it got delivered, is DWC Vayu 3.0. Yes, so we will be unboxing the same. So let us just do that. So this is the packaging, guys. So it came with this bubble wrap and it has a black leather box inside. So we'll just unpack that. Let me remove this bubble wrap. Okay, and here is the box, and over here we have this documentation leaflet type. Squadron leader Ajay Ahuja. Okay, so here is a good documentation which I'll read later on. It says DWC Vayu Kargil Heroes Golden Arrows, a tribute. So this watch is a tribute to the Kargil Heroes Golden Arrows, a tribute to their valor and courage. So we'll keep this over here. Here is also a DWC Vayu 2024 Golden Arrows edition scan below type of user manual. Okay. So we'll keep it right here. And here is the box, guys. Here is the box. Here is this beautiful leather watch box. The box quality is very good. This is my first DWC watch, so let's do the unboxing. So here we have this leather box and it says Delhi Watch Company. Here is the logo of the Delhi Watch Company. This is the Indian Parliament logo with the Indian flag here. Okay, this is just a design, we cannot open from here. And here is the, so from here we'll box it. Okay, so ready, 3 2 1. Okay, so here is the watch, guys, and it's running. Okay, unbelievable. All right, so right here we have the Delhi Watch Company Vayu warranty card. Let me see what's written in the warranty card. We won't be skipping anything. So it says reference number V2406, warranty 1 year, and warranty expiration date is 31st/8/2025. Okay, we'll keep this aside. Now we'll check out the watch. By the way, this box quality is very good quality box they have provided. Okay, and we'll remove the watch from here. The unboxing experience, I must say, it's a lot better. Like, I have never experienced this type of unboxing experience in a watch, that too a 8,000 rupees watch. Yes, I have much expensive watch and those boxes were good, but I cannot imagine a 8,000 rupees watch will give such a good quality leather box and all. Okay, now we will check out the watch. So before that, I'll just place it here. Okay, so here is the watch, guys, and as you can see, it's the stainless steel color. So I've ordered the stainless steel one. Okay, so we'll check out the watch. So at first we'll remove this plastic from the watch. So 3 2 1. Okay, so here is the watch, guys. It looks really good. First impression, really good. There is this something on the dial. Okay, just dust. Okay, now let me give you the specification. So this watch is, the movement inside is Seiko NH35A, which is the same movement which Seiko used um, on their Seiko Sports Seiko 5 Sports lineup, which is the 4R35. So this is the same movement which is Seiko NH35A. This comes with a date window, okay, and the thickness of the dial is 40 millimeter. So 40 millimeter excluding the crown, not including the crown, and lug to lug is around 44 46. Yeah. And it also has a date complication here, as you can see. So this NH35 is a very reliable movement, guys. This Seiko NH35, because this Seiko NH35 is used on many by many watch brands, like for example Invicta Pro Diver, Invicta Grand Diver. Okay, I have a Invicta Grand Diver with me. I'll be showing you in another video. So that also uses a NH35. So this is basically a very good movement. Okay. Very reliable, very robust movement. Okay. So let me show you the dial real close. So here, so on 12 o'clock we have the first off, we have the Pilot Arrow logo. Below that we have the golden arrows, then the DWC logo. We have loom markers all around. These are the loom markers. Even this even the number indices are all loom. And at 6 o'clock it says we have the motto of the golden arrows written in Devanagari font or Hindi. At 6 o'clock we also have the Indian Air Force logo. Okay. And on the hour and the minute hand has loom. The second hand is really beautiful. Let me just show you the second hand real close. So here is the second hand, guys. Trust me, it looks like a MiG-21. This part, this head arrow looks like a MiG-21 plane, to be honest. Okay. And here we have the golden arrow, this arrow, and the golden in color. Okay. And here the case is a stainless steel case. Okay, it's a stainless steel case. Here we have the crown. Just look at the crown, the detailing, the Kargil. I know this is a Kargil war theme watch, but the detailing is truly mesmerizing. Like here we have the MiG-21 logo. It looks beautiful. At the back is also gorgeous. Just look at the case back, guys. It's the Kargil theme all around on this watch. It's the Kargil heroes, golden arrows. Okay. And this is the Ladakh, or the Kargil, not Ladakh, but the Kargil mountains. And here is the MiG-21 flying on top of the Kargil mountains. And here it says Kargil heroes, golden arrows. And my watch number is 218 out of 4,000. So total they have built 4,000 quantity, and mine is 218. And here it says some DWC Vayu logo here. And talking about the this strap, this has got a black leather strap to it with white stitching. The quality is very good, very soft type of leather. I don't know if it's a full grain leather. Maybe. Yeah, it's a very good quality leather, I must say. I don't know if it's full grain or not. And it has this 20 millimeter lug width. So the lug width is 20 millimeter, and it also houses a quick release, as you can see here. So we can remove this easily if we want to. Okay, so very easily we can remove it. Let me just show it to you. Okay, so we have done that. Okay, so it's very easy, and to install it is also very easy. You just hold it right here, just pull it once, and it gets installed automatically. That's it. And on top and in front over here we have a sapphire crystal. This is a 40 millimeter case, and it houses a sapphire crystal. So any type of scratches or anything like that, it won't come on the glass. So sapphire crystal is a very strong glass. So the watch is pretty thick, I must say. It looks like a 14 to 15 millimeter in thickness. I'm not sure on the exact number. The case back is also like we can easily open it. Okay, as you can see, it's a screw down case back, so we can easily open using a tweezer. Okay, and over here it says DWC logo, and this is the clasp. Okay, as you can see, this is a butterfly clasp. It's stainless steel butterfly clasp, and it also has a DWC logo here. Very good quality leather. Now let us just set the time. So this is a screw down crown. So I'll just, in order to change the time, we need to remove the we need to screw. So we'll just unlock the crown. So once it unlocks, it hangs like this. So as you can see, so we'll, at this point, what we can do in this mode, we can hand wind the watch. So if we hand wind this, we can hand wind the watch in this position. Okay, next, if we pull the crown once, now we can change the date. So today's date, today is, let me check, today is 18th. So I'll put it to 17th, and we'll pull the crown once again. So at first let it go to the 6 o'clock. Okay, as you can see, the second hand stopped. So that means there is a hacking. So this movement in H35A comes with hacking. So that means we can hack the second hand, which also means that once you pull the crown to the second position, which changes the time, it also automatically stops the balance wheel. Okay, that's why this hacking is happening. So I'll just pull the crown once again. Okay, and right now the time is, let me just check the time right now. I'm using my Casio calculator watch. It says 3:19 30 seconds. Okay, so 3:20. So 3:20 in the afternoon. So first we'll go to 18th. Okay, now it should change. Okay, now 3:20. Let me check the time once again. Yeah, 3:20. Okay, 3:20. Okay, almost there. Now we'll push it, and the time will start. Okay, now we'll, in order to lock this, we'll just press it and screw it down. Very easy. Okay. and that's it. It locks in place. Okay. This is very much necessary in order to have that 100 meter of water resistance. So overall the watch looks very beautiful and very premium as well, I must say. And here it is, guys, finally installed on my wrist. So here is the wrist shot. Okay, and this is the butterfly clasp, which I already told you. So this is how we install the butterfly clasp. So once we unlock this, we'll just need to push this button and it should open up like this, like a butterfly, and we'll install this part and that's it. And the watch looks very beautiful. So that's it for this quick unboxing video, guys. I'll be using this watch for some time and will compare it with my other NH35A watches. I will bring a video very soon where I will compare 3 watches, this one and my other 2 NH35A movement watches. Okay, if you have any queries regarding this, you can always ping me down below. And by the way, the price of this watch is 8,300 rupees. The black one I think still available. Mine is stainless steel. Okay, the black version is still available. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any queries regarding this, do hit me on the comment section below. I'll be happy to reply as always. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and guys, please subscribe to my channel. I know many of you are watching my videos but not subscribing. Okay, please do subscribe. I'll bring very good content in watches. Okay, thank you so much. This is Anindo. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.